It's an oddly warm December day. We're gonna take this opportunity to check on some beehives. All right, I'm pretty sure that this hive might be a dead out, but we're gonna check. Silly me, forgot my hive tool, so we're gonna use classic Swiss Army knife here. Not seeing any activity. Yep, no bees at all. Plenty of stores. A lot of resources in here. I'm wondering if they absconded, because I'm not seeing any bees in here at all. Well, this doesn't look great. See dead bees. I don't like this. Plenty of stores. I think this hive might be gone. See that? Those bees are gone. Those bees are gone. Some of those guys are molding. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to clean all this up. I'll probably leave this hive out here for now in case any of the others need to forage off of it. Alrighty.
As nice as the weather was today, the reality of losing 2 hives was certainly disappointing. But we won't be defeated. Spring is just around the corner, and we look forward to what this year has to hold for us.